Okay, hand positions for Spring from the Four Seasons by Vivaldi. The right hand is on middle C up to G, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the left hand is on low C up to G, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, this piece is written in two parts, and each part is repeated. So we begin with the right hand, 1, and then we're going to play 1 and 3 at the same time, and again, 2, 1, and then we play 3 and 5. Now we're going to add in the left hand, and throughout the piece it just keeps playing 5 with the little finger nearly constantly. So we begin again, we go 1 on the right, then 1 and 3 with 5 on the left, 1 and 3, and together again, 2, 1, 3 and 5 right, 5 left, 5 left again, 5, 4, 1 and 3 with that 5 left again, 1 and 3 and together, 2, 1, 3 and 5 right, 5 left again, 5, 4, together again, 1 and 3 right, 4, 5, now 2 and 4 on the right with that 5 left again, 1 and 3, 1 on the left with 2 on the right. Now we're going to do that section all over again. So 1, 1 and 3, 1 and 3, 1 and 3, 2, 1, 3 and 5, 5 left, 5, 4, okay, for the next section, we keep our thumb on middle C, we move the rest of the fingers up a note. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We keep the left hand in position where it is, and we go back to the right, and we're going to keep doing those 5s on the left. So on the right, go 1, 2 and 4 with 5 on the left, 3 F, 2, 3 with 5 on the left, 4, 3, 5 on the right, 2 and 4. We do the same again, 1, 2 and 4 on the right, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3 and 5 together, and 2 and 4 left, 1, 3 and 5, 2 and 4. Now we move our fingers back to join the thumb again on the right hand, 4, 5 left, 3 right, 2, 1, and the only change on the left hand in the entire piece, we're going to play the thumb number 1 with 2 on the right, and back to 5 along with 1 again. Now we repeat that section. So again, move the hand up 1 note on the right, keeping the thumb on C, and let's run through that section. So 1, 2 and 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 3, 2 and 4. 1, 2 and 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3 and 5, 2 and 4. 1, 3 and 5, 2 and 4. Bring the fingers back. 4, 3, 2, 1. Remember the only change on the left, 1 along with 2. And finish with both C's, 5 and 1.